In this video, I will show you how to clear YouTube app cache file on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you proceed to your Home tab on your Google Smart TV. Go ahead and click on your Home tab right here. The next thing you want to do is to go to the sidebar and make sure you look for Settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on OK. Then it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here until you get to apps. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for your YouTube app. If you cannot see YouTube app right here, go ahead and click on See All Apps. Then all apps you have on your Google TV is going to be displayed right here. Go ahead and make sure you look for the YouTube app. So here we go. Click on YouTube app. It's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here until you get to Cache right here. Go ahead and click on Clear Cache. And this is going to pop up right here. All you have to do is to simply click on OK and you are done. You can review and clear cache for as many as possible different apps on your Google TV. It's that simple. Then we can go back to the Home tab right here. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this on how to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.